Hey guys, today we're going to be going over Leetcode problem 1342, which is number of steps to reduce a number to 0. And in this problem we are given a non-negative integer n, and we need to return how many steps it will take to reduce that number to 0. If the number is currently even, a step means dividing by 2. If the number is currently odd, a step means subtracting 1. Let's take a look at a quick example. If the number we are given is 14, the first step we take is dividing by 2 because 14 is even. Now the number is 7, which is odd, so we subtract 1 for step 2. Number is currently 6, which is even, so dividing by 2 for step 3 gives us 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 for step 4. And now at this point, when we reach 2, we know it will always take 2 more steps to hit 0. So instead of thinking of 0 as our stopping point, we can think of 2 as our stopping point because we know it will always take 2 additional steps once we reach 2 to hit 0. For our implementation, we first want to think about our edge cases. We know that num will be between 0 and 1 million inclusive, so based on the above logic we just discussed, we know we can return num if num is 0 or 1. Next, we will initialize an int count to 0. Now, while num is greater than 2, if num is even, we will divide by 2. Otherwise, num is odd, so we will subtract 1. At the end of each while loop iteration, we will increment the count variable. And finally, when we break from the loop, num will be at 2, so we return count plus 2. Now we go ahead and click submit, and we see that our submission was successful. And for this problem, our runtime will be O of log n, because on average we will be cutting the remaining space in half every other iteration. Our space complexity will be O of 1 because we are not using any additional data structures. And that will do it for today's video, so be sure to like and subscribe for more, and comment down below which problem I should do next.